In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the card the App Store uses on your device, whether you're looking to update your payment information to a new card or just need to rearrange the order of your existing cards. These simple steps will guide you through the process in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Settings app on your device. This app is the hub for modifying all your device preferences and settings, so it's vital to get comfortable navigating through it. Once you are in settings, you should see your name right at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on your name. This action will take you to your Apple ID settings, where all your account information is stored. Next, look for the option labeled Payment and Shipping and tap on it. This section of your settings controls how you manage payment methods and shipping addresses linked to your Apple ID. It's important to keep this information up to date, especially if you've recently changed your credit card or moved to a new address. Once you're in the payment and shipping area, you'll see a list of your current payment methods. To make changes to the order of these cards or to add a new one, tap on Edit in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where the customization really happens. If you need to make a new card your primary payment method, or if you just want to rearrange the order in which your cards appear, this editing mode is where you do it. If you're adding a new card, select the option that says Add Payment Method. You'll be prompted to enter the new card's details. Make sure to have your card handy to input all the necessary information. Once added, you'll want to set this new card as the default. This step ensures that any App Store purchases or subscriptions will automatically charge the correct card going forward. Finally, if your old card is no longer active or you just don't want it linked to your account anymore, you have the option to remove it. You can do this by tapping on the old card and selecting the option to remove it from your account. Removing any unnecessary cards can help maintain better security over your payment information. And that's it, you've just updated your payment information for the App Store on your device. By following these instructions, you'll ensure that your purchases are continuously handled smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.